Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to change your compatibility mode settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first things you want to do is navigate to whatever file or shortcut you want to open up in compatibility mode. So let's say we want to go Google Chrome for example. So open up on a search menu and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung Google Chrome and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung open file location. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating open file locations ng ating Google Chrome browser. And then makikita mo dito na na-select na siya, and then next step, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong Google Chrome properties. So dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung compatibility. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na kaagad dito yung compatibility mode. So i-check mo lang tong box na yan. So run this program in compatibility mode 4. So i-check mo lang yung box para makita natin kasi naka-grayed out siya. So i-check mo lang yung box and then i-select mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito kung saan yung compatibility mode niya. So nandito yung mga other options and selection dito. And then once na kapag select ka na dito, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so same naman sa other browser mga kaibigan or shortcut. So another example, so click on the search menu and dito sa search for apps. So type mo lang dito yung Firefox for example and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung open file locations. And then madadirect tayo dito sa open file locations ng Firefox settings. And then next, kailangan mo lang mag right click dito sa Firefox. So right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. And then pop up itong kanyang Firefox properties. So dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung compatibility. So click mo lang yan. And the next step ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung compatibility mode. And then same procedure, i-check mo lang tong box. Run this program in compatibility mode 4. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select ka lang dito kung saan siya or another options mo siya kung saan yung compatibility mode niya. So nandito yung mga pagpipilian. And then once nakapag-select ka na and then click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change compatibility mode settings in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.